What is up, everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to be talking about SoFi stock. Ticker symbol is SOFI, and this is my third video on SoFi stock. So if you haven't watched the other two, go back in the channel and watch. And I've been talking about the stock for about 6 months now, and I believe this is a very interesting stock. I am a fan of the product. I am a fan of their marketing, everything that they're doing. I am a huge fan, and they're just releasing good news. Like today, we are up about we are up about 6% on the day, and then we were trading a little bit higher on the post market as well. But I want to look at this just from a 1 week time frame. All right, I want to look at this chart from a higher time frame. Now, if you haven't watched my videos, I'm going to give you a breakdown very quick on how I analyze this stock. Okay, so I started talking about SoFi when it was around $15 a share. So I'll guess somewhere around this area. And then we went and created this high on 18, and then the stock just dropped. Now, this was the best opportunity. April of this year was the best opportunity for you to enter any kind of long position on any kind of stock. Basically, all the stocks were at the lowest point, and they after that just moved higher and higher. I have some examples on the channel. You can watch that as well. So April was this very low over here. Now, my areas are basically the $15 area right here, the 18 where we are right now, and then the next one is around 24. So the good news for basically the reason why I created this whole video was to show you guys how easy it is to close the gaps on stock when it's this simple, right? So we have this area of a high right here, this high, and then we were trading at the $10 or $9 to $10 right here. We started trading above the moving average, so that's another sign that the stock is going bullish. And then we just had one easy gap to basically close, which was from the 14.15 all the way to the 18. All right, we closed this gap. Now, what's next? All right, what am I looking for? Are we gonna keep going up, or what's the stock gonna do, right? I don't know. I can't predict. What I can do is react to it, right? Um, what I think would probably do some scenarios or how we can plan this out is from this high, I think we could maybe have a pullback since these are just good news, like releasing good news after good news. And then we could pull back, maybe have, some better entries on the bottom around 14, 15, and then possibly close this other gap right here on the left, which is the $25 a share. All right. So just like I did videos back then on Palantir, which we had crazy gaps to close, and we ended up hitting $130 a share, $40 a share, which was crazy. And I started recording videos about Palantir when it was just about $20. So basically 6 or 7x um, after that. Okay. So we are sitting at 18 right now. I think it's very good. I mean, the best opportunity for this right now is just keep buying into it and probably dollar cost average on the way up and on the way down. All right. Now, again, make sure that we always have some amount left on the account to buy for better opportunities, which I think better opportunity will be somewhere around this area or around this area back again if we come lower, but I don't think we will, but we never know. All right, so let's stay tuned for the next videos. This is probably the best scenario that's going to happen after, or we're going to come down to the 14.15 and then possibly make that new high on the market. All right, this was a quick video. Thank you guys for watching, and make sure that you hit the like button and subscribe for more.